Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to ensure your browsing is always secure when using the Naver Whale Browser on your mobile device. We will guide you through enabling secure connections. Your online activities remain private. First, open Naver Whale Browser on your phone. Once the browser is open, tap on the two-line menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on the Settings icon to open the browser settings. Scroll down until you find the Privacy option and select it. Once you are in the Privacy section, locate the option labeled Always Use Secure Connections. Then, toggle this option on to enable the browser to automatically use secure HTTPS connections whenever possible. This setting ensures that the websites you visit are encrypted and helps protect your data from being intercepted. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends for more useful tips.